For example, hyper techno. You should try from bass, future rate, BPL 14113 continuous, no silence, energy, aggressive stylus, red one. It's sound design. Evident awaits our base. Fast drop, hi-hat, technical kick. Distorted process. Metallic claps and snap. Reach your touch like voice here. Short like chance. Shots by faces, crowd shouts and call-outs like samples. Walk, drip, let's go. China Street. I've smooth and wide. City nights, underground fashion work, cyber up and China static gave us more. Street fashion work videos, outfit tracker shakes, slow motion plus fast cuts, shorts, reels and full YouTube videos. That one lifestyle description. Ultra fiber techno trap with heavy foot, bass and I. Back. If you want, I can. Turn this into a perfect AR music prompt. Create multiple sub-styles.
Match music style to specific fashion types. Just say the word.
For example, hyper techno. You should try from bass, future rate, BPL 14113 continuous, no silence, energy, aggressive stylus, red one. It's sound design. Evident awaits our base. Fast drop, hi-hat, technical kick. Distorted process. Metallic claps and snap. Reach your touch like voice here. Short like chance. Shots by faces, crowd shouts and call-outs like samples. Walk, drip, let's go. China Street. I've smooth and wide. City nights, underground fashion work, cyber up and China static gave us more. Street fashion work videos, outfit tracker shakes,
Slow motion plus fast cuts,
shorts, reels and full YouTube videos.
That one lifestyle description.
Ultra fiber techno trap with heavy foot, bass and I.
Back.
If you want, I can. Turn this into a perfect AR music prompt. Create multiple sub-styles.
Match music style to specific fashion types. Just say the word.
For example, hyper techno. You should try from bass, future rate, BPL 14113 continuous, no silence, energy, aggressive stylus, red one. It's sound design. Evident awaits our base. Fast drop, hi-hat, technical kick.